Hello everyone, welcome to K2 Literature. Today we are going to see how to create classes in Google Classroom. To take online classes, we have forums like Google Meet, Zoom, free conference call. We need a single platform where we can share our materials, where we can give assignments, tests, and maintain the record of all these things. That is Google Classroom. Let us see how to create classes in Google Classroom. First of all, install Google Classroom app in your mobile phone. Then open the app. You'll get the page. Click that Get Started. Sign in with your Gmail ID. Click the plus symbol in the first page. You can get the option Create Class. Click that one. And you have to answer all the columns here: class, section, room, and subject. Then you can press Create. Now the classroom is created. You can see three headings here: stream, classwork, and people. In people, you can see the details of students who have joined the class. Now we are going to add the students using the code given. First of all, you can come to the stream, click the setting icon. Then you can see the class code given. You can copy the code and send it to your students. Now we can post a welcome message for the students. Click share with your class and you can type the message you want to send to your students. You can type like this and you can use the arrow to post immediately, or you can click three dots to get more options. When you post the message, it will be shown like this. To share the materials, you can click the classwork page. You can add your message like this, and you can add any file using the symbol attach file. You may attach as file or taking a photo or as a PDF. So I can attach as a image here and you can post that message. You can see the three dots here where you can get options to edit what you have posted. You can edit the image you have sent, or you can add new file. You can make changes and you can post again using that save option. Now it is posted again like this with your changes. Next we can see the class folders for the created classes where we can maintain the assignments. Click the symbol as shown. You can get a list of options where you can find classroom folders. When you click that option, it will take to Google Drive where you can find the classroom folders. Next option, notifications. Click that one. You can get the page like this. You can click the down arrow and you can select all or unread so that you can get notification to your Gmail. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, support us, like the video and share the video with your friends. Thank you.